Hi guys, so today I will again come with a new videos of how to crack password of Wi-Fi, and apparently it's not Wi-Fi hacking, but you can crack the Wi-Fi's password. I am using my own Wi-Fi to crack, so don't try to do this without permission, and this video is only for educational purpose. So first of all I am going to open the terminal. After opening terminal, uh, you have to log into root, or you can simply open it from here, terminal root, so that you need not to open it again and again. So I am in a root kali. First of all, check your Wi-Fi status like this. I have LAN 0 and this is managed mode. You have to convert it to monitor mode. So I am going to convert it. First of all, you have to down the LAN 0. You have to down this. So I am going to down this. It has been down. Now start your monitor mode by this command. You can here see that it is not converted into monitor mode. Now after this it will convert. Sorry, this is not right command. This is the right command. And here you can see here the mode is into monitor. It has been converted into monitor. And here you can see now I am again check which mode is right now it is running. So iw-config, so you can see here mode is monitor. Now I am going to crack the password. Remember, I am experiment my own Wi-Fi, so don't try this. First of all, type aerodump ng aerodump ng. Aerodump. I have forgotten LAN 01, so you have to write your, and you can see here the available networks in my area is this, which is cached by adapters. These are the Wi-Fi's, and it is BSSID and it is channel, and you can see here the name Fiber Plus, which is my own, and this is also my own, and this is also my own network. So I am then going to know this Wi-Fi's password, Airfiber ZZGH. So first of all I have to copy this BSSID which we need, and open new tab. After new tab opening, type aerodump and the same command I have written it before, and simply paste here your BSSID, and this is BSSID, and write here your channel which you want to crack. Here the channel is 11, so the channel will be 11, and press enter. No. After writing this channel, press enter. You will see this As you can see here, I have not connected this Wi-Fi to any phone. You need to connect at least one phone so that you can catch Wi-Fi, as it will handshake and it will basically match the password from the phone. So I am going to connect to my phone. Then it will show here station. The phone show so I have connected and it will here appear. It has been appeared here. Now I am going to attack. Sorry, it's not attacking. It's just you can. I am going to attack. Now open new terminal. The same, that is server down. Paste your VSS ID, then your channel 11, then write hack LAN 01, and this is from here. Now I have created a file and it will handset by AirPlay ng. So new tab, AirPlay ng, remove this VSS ID and paste those VSS ID, and this is a station. This is a station. This is a station and this is VSS ID. So you have to copy this VSS station and paste it here. Press enter. Sometimes it says no such device, but it will be take some time. So it is still saying no such device. 3E 3D. So it is also 3D 5688, and the station is this. I have written, just try. Let's change it. Its number. Basically, this is a network jamming. AirPlay deauthorization, which disconnect the phone and Wi-Fi to make handset. So I am going to deauthorization of 20. Now still it say no such device. Again I will try. Still it say. I think I have done some mistakes. Let's try now. I don't know why this is happening, but there is other alternative methods how you can know your Wi-Fi password. Open fern Wi-Fi cracker. Yeah, this is so simple. After opening a fern Wi-Fi cracker, it will take some time. I don't know why this is not happening. Somebody know what is my problem? Then definitely comment right now. Try again. I am trying again this. No such device. Why? It's a quitting now. I am again doing this. It was quitting because of opening this for my tracker. So just use fern Wi-Fi cracker, which is very best. After opening fern Wi-Fi cracker, you have in the LAN 0. So, and you can see here monitor mode enable on the LAN 0 mode here. Now scan for access points. You can see here 510 detected. So I am going to attack this Wi-Fi. You have to find your dictionary. Everybody have a dictionary in their Kali Linux. Just simply find it from. You can manually download. This notice is as I have already cracked those Wi-Fi, so it shows. I am going to update it. Sorry, it automatically closed. I don't know why. So try again. Just can note I am doing those things again. I have to delete. I am going to delete this, so there will no problem. Now, can detected. This is which Wi-Fi that I am going to crack its password, and you have to set your dictionary. So the dictionary will be found from. Everybody has dictionary in their Kali. So I have dictionary download it. Here it is. It is your word list. Docu text is best, and I have attached this from browse, and it says WPA key is this. It automatically detect, but will also do this Wi-Fi attack. Yeah, as I have already, so it say already exists. So you can crack your Wi-Fi like this. Thank you, and very much. And also try this arrow dump. There is no station. I think my mobile disconnects it. That's why it doesn't crack. Thank you.